Today we are going to learn about calls in arrear or calls outstanding. Sometime the company asks for call money, but shareholder they will not make the payment. That we called calls in arrear. Let me see the problem. Calls in arrear or calls outstanding. Sum number 7. Q Limited issued 80,000 shares of rupees 10 each. Company issuing 80,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share. So 10 rupees share they are issuing at 12 rupees. 2 on application, 5 on allotment, 2 on first and final, 2 on first call and 3 on final call. Here company making 2 calls. Okay. Public applied and subscribed all the shares. So issued and subscribed both are same in number. So we can call it as even subscription. Public applied and subscribed all the shares and duly allotted. All calls were made on due date. All calls were made on due date, but 1000 share first call money and 1500 share second call money not received. So application money we received fully, allotment money we received fully. In first call we did not collect 1000 share money. In second call we did not collected 1500 share money. So now I am going to teach you journal entry for calls in arrear. Generally that calls in arrear will affect the cash entry, not that transfer entry. Let me see. First we are going to record journal for share application. The entry is bank account data to share application. Bank account data to share application. How many shares we are going to issue? 80,000. Subscribed also 80. It should be multiplied by 2 rupees. So the value is 1,60,000. Narration. Share application money received. Share application money received. Next entry. The share application money should be transferred to share capital account. Value same, 80,000 into 2, 1,60,000. Next, we are going to record journal for share allotment. Here in share allotment, we are collecting security premium also. Share allotment account data to share capital. One more credit given to the securities premium. One more credit given to the securities premium. 80,000 shares. Allotment value how much? 5 rupees. Premium 2. So allotment minus premium equal to capital. So 4 lakh. 2,40,000. 1,60,000. Narration share allotment made. Next, share allotment money received entry. Bank account data to share allotment. Value 80,000 into 5. We should multiply with 5. Share allotment money received 4 lakh. Next, we are going to record first call. First, we are going to record share first and final call. First call, share first call, transfer entry. Share first call account data to share capital. How much? 80,000 into 2. 80,000 into 2. I said calls outstanding will not affect the transfer entry, it will affect the cash entry. Next we are going to record cash entry. Bank account data. Normal entry bank account data to share first call. One more debit given to calls in arrear. One more debit given to the calls in arrear. So for calls in arrear entry is calls in arrear account data to respective call. Yes. Out of 80,000, 1000 share money not yet received. So 1000 into 2, 2,000 rupees not received. So 79,000 share money, first call money received. How much? 1,58,000. Total 1,60,000. Once again, I said calls in arrear will affect the cash entry, not the transfer entry. It is a transfer entry, leave it. Cash entry, what entry will record? Bank account data to share first call. One more debit given to the calls in arrear. So out of 80,000, 1,000 share money not received, calls in arrear. So 1,000 share money not received. So how many share money received? 79,000 into 2. That's it. Then share second call entry. Share second call entry. Share second call account data to share capital. It is a transfer entry. Calls in arrear will not affect this. 80,000 into 3. 2,40,000. Share second call made. So now we are going to record second call cash entry, bank account data to share second call. Here how many share money not received? 1,500. That should be debited to the calls in arrear account. So 80. Out of 80, 1,500 into 3 not received, 4,500. So 78,500 into 3. Total 2,40,000. So 78,500 into 3. 36. 235,500. Yes. Students, we completed calls in arrear. I said calls in arrear will affect the cash entry, not that transfer entry. We completed calls in arrear. In next class, we'll see calls in advance. Till that, bye and thank you.